How to check Facebook video views. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can check Facebook video views. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for how you can see who has viewed your Facebook videos, the videos that you posted on Facebook, these are the process you may follow in order to look so. So the number one method is just head over to your profile at top right and tap on your profile name. After that, you'll be taken to your profile here. So you're just gonna head over to the video section where you'll be finding the videos that you posted. So here you can see here you can see I have posted this reel on my Facebook account. So in order to see who has viewed this Facebook video, I'm just gonna tap on it, and here you'll be able to see the videos. So unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can view the viewer on the Facebook video that you posted. Here instead, you can find the number of viewers that has looked onto your videos, like the number of views on the videos that you've received. For example, this one right here, I have received 20 views here, so which means I have received 20 views in this particular video. So that is the number one method on how you can view the videos. But instead, what you can do is, in order to look up for the viewers, you may just post a story onto your Facebook story. So what happens is, when you post a Facebook story, for example this one right here, so below you can see this viewers option. When you tap on it, if anyone of your viewers has viewed this story, you'll be finding the viewers here along with their names as well. So that is the method you can use in order to see who has viewed your Facebook videos that you've uploaded. Otherwise, unfortunately, Facebook doesn't have that option of how to view your viewers on the video. So therefore, that's how you basically view your viewers on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.